Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to list items on Etsy. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing to do now is to simply access the Etsy website. So in your web browser, just simply go to etsy.com. Now, we will be needing to simply go to the shop manager. By going to the shop manager, we will be able to manage our store from here. Basically, to list the products, we need just to go to somewhere where we can manage our listing. And as you guessed, here in the menu, we will be needing just to simply search for listings. By clicking on listings, we will be able to go to a listings page. And as you can see here, in the listings page, will offer you many things to manage your listing. And one of these buttons are or features are add the listing. And basically, we need just to click on add listing. And from here, you add all the information. So you choose a category. You would find many categories that you would find. You could continue. You describe your listing. Either it is physical item, digital file. If you made it, if you didn't made it, you need just be as accurate as possible so you cannot face any problem with the Etsy policies. So you will need just to click on continue, do whatever you'd like, and basically continue. Now you will need just to add all the other information of your listing. And basically, you will be needing to simply add the title, photo and videos, description, and of course the pricing. And you can add some other details more than you have shown or than you have added. And basically, you will just fill in all this information. And as I said, just be as accurate as possible. And then you click on publish. And by clicking on publish, you will pay the fee of activating your listing and for having your listing published. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.